Welcome friends, this is Mani and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can edit your images and graphics for your website and different purposes. So let's get started and take a look how we can do all these things. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Below this video you can get the link of subscription in the description section, as well as you will see a red icon saying subscribe, so you can subscribe from there as well. So let's get started and take a look. Open your window, browser window, and type Ganator, and after that you will reach this website Ganator. You can see on the screen you can sign in with the Google and Facebook, and simply you can create using password and ID as well. So let's get started. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in into my account now. Just after login, you will see different things and different layouts already there. You can go ahead with any of them, like Facebook post, presentation, Twitter post, and different things we have. If you go ahead with the more option, you will see another templates already created for different kind of purposes. You can go ahead with them as well. So whichever you like, you can select any one of them, and after that you have to go back to that template which you have selected for your particular purpose. So I'm gonna select for Facebook marketing, so let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to select this one, Facebook post, and after selecting this you will see another page where a clean white background will be there for custom pixel length and width. Means length will be custom according to Facebook need, and here we have a number of templates which we can choose directly and can use for our purpose. So if I select this one, you will see, let's select any one of them. So you will see this is the Facebook template finally, which you can use for my purpose. We can edit each and everything right here on this screen, this template. But if you want to go ahead with anything else, let's select this one, anyone, whichever you like. You can go ahead with any one of them. I'm just giving you an idea. You can select any one of them and you can edit as per your need. I'm gonna select one for my website marketing, and here in the upload section you can upload your own images as well, as you can use them for your template and Facebook page and any kind of use. So this is pretty good, and apart from this we have some other options. So if you hit this upload, you can upload and select, and background option, we have different background options, colored and different things. And from here you can select text, and you can give a particular kind of text and to your graphic or design whatever you have selected. So here I have selected this font and I'm just going to edit this one. So let's go ahead and I can give you an idea. So I can edit in this way as well. So okay, let's delete and go ahead with the thing that we are supposed to go ahead with. Okay, now for my marketing purpose I'm gonna select this one. It's a travel website, so I'm gonna go ahead with this template. It is quite good, and I'm gonna replace these things from this template with my website name, your whole trip. Okay, now give it a name whichever you find best for your purpose, and after that you can go here in the text section and you can add any other text if you wish to add into your design. So just go ahead with, and I'm gonna go to give it a particular text, compare and book awesome trips, most affordable prices, and something like this. I'm gonna type here. So after typing you can adjust the font and the size of font and everything. So, and even color of this on the top section you can see everything is there. From here you can select font, and from here you can select color of this font. So I'm gonna make it white, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller, whatever you like. Good. So in the right section you can see drag option. You can drag as much as you like, and you can drag the whole thing below or above wherever you like. So this is the thing that you can go ahead with, and this is quite simple. And in every video editing or image editing, sorry, you can go ahead with the same steps and you can edit whatever you like. You can replace this background as well, so that's not a big problem. So I'm doing these things, and let's get it done. You can adjust the size, you can move up and down, and everything you can go ahead with. So I'm just making it. Now we have to select different things like elements, layouts, and text, as I already told you from here. So let's go to the element section, and in the element section I have to go to shapes, and in the shapes I have to select circular shape or rectangular, whatever you find best for your purpose. I'm gonna select rectangular, drag it and make it as much good as it is. You can give it a particular color, you can drag as well the more you like, and you can add another text section. So just go to text section and give it text and edit the text and drag the text to this white section. So you can write here sign up or something like this. So whatever you like, you can go ahead with that, like book, travel, or something like this, search, and anything that find best for your purpose. I'm giving it a name, book your trip. So this is the best one for my purpose. And now we can add another text. So let's go ahead with the text section, edit the text that find best for your purpose. In the same way, drag it first. I'm gonna put it below of it, so, and I will make this text white. So first of all, I'm supposed to give it, and then I'm gonna change the color. So I'm gonna change it to white, and after that I will write the thing. So here you can see that the thousands of sites compared. If you visit frequently from one place to another place, you must go on this website. You must visit on this website, yohotrip.visprosoft.com, not yohotrip.com. Actually this URL is not right. I'm gonna replace it. So go ahead with this. Here you can see this URL has to be changed. I will make it simple. The website URL is yohotrip.visprosoft.com. So you can go on this website. Now you have to go to top right section. In the download section, you can select PNG and JPG format, and you can download your design. I've selected PNG format, and that is the best fit for my purpose. After that, your download will start. So wait for a while, and now you can see my download has started here. And this is the way you can get your awesome design. Now my file has been downloaded, and let's click on this open, and here you can see my design is awesome and it is best for my purpose, and it has been downloaded and I can use for any purpose. So thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching once again. Do not forget to subscribe.